Good day, learners. Let's quickly calculate the Kc value. Kule reaction at new equilibrium. So, this statement we are given the number of moles of P at equilibrium, which is 0.8, number of moles of Q at equilibrium, number of moles of PQ at equilibrium. Then the temperature was increased and the new equilibrium was established, which means we're going to 2 equilibrium. So we have the number of moles of P at a new equilibrium, which is 1,2 mole. So the number of moles of the first equilibrium initial weight. Then the number of moles of the new equilibrium, equilibrium, okay? Then sitho sikwazi ukugcwalisa i-table phaa. So nansi ke ngonye indawo ebalulekileyo sijonge i-ratio leya. Since kungu-2 lapha kwi-reactant izothi minus 2x. Since kungu-1 apha kwi-reactant izothi minus x. Since kungu-2 lapha, since kwi-product izothi plus 2x. Okay. So ithini le nto? 3,2 plus 2x is equal to into la 0,8 minus x into la 0,8 minus 2x is equal to 1,2, which means ngakwazi to solve for x by using layer. Now let's solve for x. So we say 0,8 minus 2x is equal to 1,2. So I will transpose this one. I have minus 2x, which is equal to 1,2 minus, since it's positive, I will be negative, minus 0,8. Then I will use my calculator, 1,2 minus 0,8. Then I get minus 2x, which is equal to 0,4. I will divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2, then I get x. Negative 2, I get x, which is 0,2. So, power table, up on x, I will put negative 2. So, if we can look here, we have negative 2x. So, in place of x, I will put negative, sorry, this is negative 0,2. I will put negative 0,2. So it would up I have 0,4 because by of I calculate out of minus 0,4. Then see no x. So up we have negative x, which means in place of x I will put negative 0,2, which means up I will have 0,2, not negative, okay? Because a negative times a negative is a positive. Then since the upper power we have 2x plus 2x. So in place of x I will put negative 0,2, which means I will have negative 0,4. So up I will put negative 0,4. Then iyagcwala ke ngokwitable. Iyagcwala ke ngokwitable phaa. Okay? Sigcwalise ngokwitable yethu phaa. So apha ke ngosithini ngoku since ke ngoseyipositive ke ngoleni answer le 0,8 plus 0,2, that is 1. Then 3,2 minus 0,4. So the answer there is 2,8. So we have 2,8 here. Then we are given the volume there, and the volume was equal to 2. Which means when we calculate the concentration, C is equal to N over V. So here we have N, which is 1,2. The volume is 2. Then we calculator power, we get 0,6 here. Then 1 divided by 2. The number of moles now is 1 divided by 2. Then we get 0,5 here. Then here we divide by 2. Then we get 1,4. Now we can calculate the Kc table to 12. Okay. So we are going to calculate the Kc value. So the first thing that we need is the Kc expression. Kc is equal to, okokuqala funeka siqale sijonge uba ku-solid na-liquid na, because kwi-Kc expression solid asiyifaki ne-liquid. So igas leya, which means sirayithi ke ngoku, so singazisebenzisa zoyi-3 ezaa substances. So ngentla soqala ngee-products, sitsho sibe ne-concentration ka-PQ. Then le number ke ngoku izofika ibe yi-exponent phaa, divided by, ngezantsi sibhale reactants, nantsi eyokuqala i-reactant ngu-P. Le number izoba yi-exponent times concentration of Q, then 1 abe yi-exponent. So sitsho sisubstitute, Kc is equal to, ithini ke ngoku concentration ka-PQ, nantsi ya, ngu-1,4 squared. Ithini ka-P, nantsi ka-P ngu-0,6, then nantsi ka-Q ngu-0,5. Then sitsho sifumane the new Kc. There is 2 here square, then we are done.